When the make no sense came through bad, some went to the holy cross, bend the knee, say the nailed king's name, bring the tears. But at some point, they gotta get up and go on. Wailing prayers rarely just erased everything that happened before the breakdown. You know, reverse time, make despair go the other way. Ever seen a car drive
Have you
backwards
ever seen
all
a
the way
car
off
go
the freeway?
backwards? Driving, driving, driving off the freeway. Mm-hmm. Have you ever seen a car go backwards trying to get off the freeway? Mm-hmm. Working the earth. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Working the earth. You see, it don't even matter when I get it right, 'cause they just gon' refix it the way they want to. But yeah, the hoodoo man came in talking about his brother was an artist. And I just, trying to make conversation, say, well, you an artist too. Look what you got on and everything. And, he had to agree to that and stuff. But why conversate with me? In the news got something on talking about somebody divorced and they friends and stuff. And I'm just kind of like, this art, the art I do, that's Kwame, for real. I mean, I don't know who else trying to take claim of it, but hey, man, fuck that shit. I know. I don't know. That's Kwame shit. That's Kwame. For real.
As hard as I try, I sincerely couldn't save you. So I had to let you go. It's so sad, I loved you so.
Crazy,
Girl, I tried.
crazy, crazy, crazy.
Girl, I
No, you
tried.
didn't.
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Look what he gave. We've all moved on. You must relax and release and breathe in and observe how nature flows. Yes, talk to nature.
Talk to nature, talk to nature, talk to nature. Yes.